Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I am here with my little dog Milo. I just received a package in the mail. Actually, I didn't just receive it in the mail. I received it probably, let me put you right there so I'm not wobbling everywhere. I received this package from good friends of mine at Science Serum. I've talked about Science Serum products before, and I know many of you may be familiar with Science Serum. They are the creators of the Tight Eye, Tight Neck products, and so many other products too. I've been using Tight Neck for a while. I think it's a really great concentrated serum to put on your neck. They sent me three things. They sent me one that I'm very familiar with, the Tight Neck. I'm actually going to show you me using this. I did a separate video of myself using this so you could see it in action. This helps to tighten and firm and lift the neck area. You can also put it on kind of your décolleté to tighten that up. What you do is you apply a generous amount on your neck. The tight neck is 3 times stronger than the tight eye. You have very sensitive skin around your eyes, so the tight neck has a different concentration of ingredients. This is a patented formula with hyaluronic acid and arginine, and you're supposed to see visible results in 5 minutes. I love Science Serum because their products are fragrance-free, paraben-free. It's a cruelty-free company. I really think their products are almost medical grade products because they work so well. But let me take you quickly to the demo of this Tight Neck Serum. I've used this before along with their Tight Eye Serum. I really like to put this mainly on my neck. I don't wear a lot of low-cut tops, so for me, I don't really put it on my chest area, but I do feel it does help make your neck look better, tighter, firmer. Helps with also some of the lines you may have going across your neck. But let me take you quickly to the demo, and I will also tell you the exact ingredients in this product. The first product I'm going to show you is the Tight Neck Serum, and I love the packaging that Science Serum uses. I love these silver containers that they put the little pump on top. What I'm showing you right now is their patented Smart Gel. This ingredient is the main anti-aging ingredient in their products. It is patented, it is cruelty-free, it is 100% paraben-free and fragrance-free. When you look at it, it kind of has the consistency of almost a honey, and what you do is you just swipe this, don't dab it, you swipe it on the area that you're treating. So I am putting a thick layer of this on my neck, and then you wait until it dries completely before you remove it. It usually takes on average about 5 minutes to dry because it reacts with your body's temperature. It can vary between 5 to 12 minutes, but you leave it on until it completely dries. Now, the main ingredients in this serum is hyaluronic acid. That's going to give your skin firmness, and that's going to keep the collagen moist and elastic. It contains vitamin C, which is an antioxidant, and that's going to slow the rate of free radical damage to your skin. It contains biopeptides. Those are necessary for the skin to increase hydration. Biopeptides increase circulation around your eyes. They also give collagen a boost. It contains green caviar extract, and that's been proven to lessen the key signs of aging like dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, and hyperpigmentation. It contains caffeine. A lot of people use caffeine around the eye area, and caffeine contains antioxidants, and it contains arginine. Arginine helps reduce the signs of aging by reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Anybody can use Tight Neck, all skin types. Even acne-prone skin types can use it. So then all I do is I take a warm, damp cloth. Once it's completely dried down, and then I just wipe it off. And it really does help to smooth out those lines I have on my neck. Helps with all that and gives you an instant lift, a little bit of tightness. And then over time, by using the Smart Gel on your neck, you are treating your neck with anti-aging ingredients that will, in the long term, help with the appearance of lines and also help with any loose skin you might have on your neck. The other two products in this box are two products that I have never tried before, was not familiar with, but was very excited to try. The first one is called Bright and Tight, and this is for your eye area. It says it's supposed to reduce wrinkles, also supposed to firm, tighten, and brighten the skin. It's an eye serum for dark circles and age spots, which I know a lot of people deal with as they age. So this is a new product for me. I was really excited to test this out. Let me show you me actually using this. I'll also tell you what the claims are on this. It's supposed to hydrate and moisturize the skin. You should see visible results in about 5 minutes, but it really depends on your skin temperature. It may be a little bit longer for some people, maybe 8 to 10 minutes before this dries, but you really want these products to dry completely before you wipe them off with a damp cloth. Let me show you what Bright and Tight does for the eye area. Bright and Tight is a new product for me. It's one I've never tried before. It sort of works the same way as the Tight Neck. It's going to firm and also help to brighten, especially the area around your eyes, and also decrease eye bags and any age spots you might have. Apply it the same way and you wait until it completely dries. Should take between about 5 or 12 minutes, depending on your body's temperature. Besides containing the Smart Gel, this serum also contains eyeless, haloxyl, glutathione, radiance, and iodine. Those are new ingredients for me. I'm not really familiar with them. Those ingredients together with the Smart Gel are going to give your skin a brighter appearance. This serum is super lightweight. It is specifically formulated for the eye area. It's going to give that area a smoother appearance, should reduce the appearance of dark circles and help with puffiness and lines and wrinkles that you have around your eyes. And because it does contain hyaluronic acid, it helps to moisturize the skin around your eyes and should make your skin look more youthful. And finally, the last product in here is one I was really excited to test out because I am such a hydrator of my face, my eyes. I love anything that adds extra hydration to my skin. This is called Moisturized. This is a very intensive moisturizing serum for the eyes. You can actually put this on after you apply the Tight Eye Serum. Put the Tight Eye Serum on, let it dry, wipe it off, and then moisturize your eyes with the Science Serum Moisturized to restore the skin around your eyes. This is not tacky, not greasy at all. Really love this product because it is uber hydrating for the eye area. I am a believer in doing everything I can, especially around my eyes. I use eye serums every day around my eyes to help with wrinkles. Also helps with dryness, and I love that this is extremely moisturizing and helps with the lines around your eyes. Let me take you to the quick demo of me using this, and I will tell you some of the ingredients in this product. This last product from Science Serum I was super excited about. I love to moisturize the area under my eyes. I am a big believer in eye creams. This moisturizer is so hydrating for your eyes. I put it all under my eyes and all around my lids. Put it on after I use the Tight Eye Serum. It is very rich but not thick. It is a medical grade, non-greasy, non-tacky formula. Quickly absorbs into your skin. It does contain glycerin and sodium hyaluronate, and that's going to give you deep, long-lasting hydration around the eye area. It also contains cashew butter, vitamin E, and ceramides, and those together are going to help restore the skin around your eyes and make the skin around the eyes look healthier and more youthful. All these products are fragrance-free, paraben-free, they contain no artificial color, and most importantly, they are cruelty-free and very effective. I hope you enjoyed seeing these products from Science Serum. I received products from them before and was so grateful. I really think their products give you a really concentrated hit of the ingredients to target your problem areas, and they work really fast. So I wanted to show you the one product that I've tested out before, the tight neck, and then the two new products that I've never tested before, the moisturize and the bright and tight. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye from Marla.